Delays, distress, and disaster. Indigo fails to fly. Flyers left in the lurch. Biggest breakdown for India's biggest airline. Indigo drags feet while passengers suffer. Flyers fume. Say apologies won't fly. The Indigo fiasco. Top focus on 5 Live.
If you were planning to take an Indigo flight today, or perhaps are one of those unlucky ones who did manage to take one, you've had quite a day. And many people, like those who chose to fly with Indigo today, are currently at the airports, fighting with officials, trying to understand what happens to refunds, some even gasping for luggage. Well, that's the reality of 60% of flyers in the country. Why? Because that's the share that Indigo has. Hello and welcome. I'm Sonal Mehrotra Kapoor, and before I give you my location, just try and guess where I am. When you see visuals like these around you, when you see people standing, waiting, what do you think it generally means? It means you're either at a railway station or a bus stop, but guess what? This is the Delhi airport. This is Terminal 1 of the Delhi airport. Maximum of the Indigo flights from Delhi operate from here. And what I have been witnessing here for the past several hours that I've been here, it seems like a never-ending queue of people who just don't know what to do. The baffling part is, in stories like these, it's not just numbers, it's the despair that is getting lost. I have with me a champion who's won medals and is waiting to go back home. I have with me a student who has an exam, wants to serve the banking sector in the country but cannot go back home. I've met with mothers today, with toddlers, with them, don't know what to feed them, where to go, what to do. And so many more stories like that. Why has this happened? The big question really. Because Indigo said it cannot handle its roster and the government wants them to give the resting period for their pilots expanded from 36 hours to 48 hours, which Indigo says cannot be done, which, by the way, is the international norm as well. What is happening in this case? Is Indigo trying to arm twist the government into taking a decision? All this and more is what we'll cover on the program today. I'll be joined with all my colleagues from several other metros. Of course, the metros are the worst hit, where maximum traffic is taking place, and Indigo, like I said, operates 60 to 65% of flights in the country domestically. All of them have been hit. Many people here have been here for over 24 hours, if not more. So stories, reasons, and the outcome. We'll take you through all of that. First up, some updates coming in. All right, we are now hearing that a high-level inquiry has been ordered by the Ministry of Civil Aviation into the Indigo disruptions. The Government of India has now decided to institute a high-level inquiry into the disruption. The inquiry will examine what went wrong at Indigo, determine accountability wherever required for appropriate actions, and also recommend measures to prevent similar disruptions in the future. It goes on to say it's going to ensure that passengers do not face such hardships again. Good level there, good update coming in that a high-level inquiry has been ordered. But what happens to people now? Passengers who are stranded now. Who's going to address their cause? That's the big question. Joining me now is my colleague Nagarjun with the latest update. Nagarjun, what do you have for us?
In fact, it's the situation same across India, Sonal. It's not just Bengaluru or Delhi. Every small airport, every tier 2, tier 3 city where Indigo flies to is seeing the same situation. In fact, in Bengaluru behind me, you can see the rush for the ticket counter here, asking for refund, asking for luggage upgrade, asking for also flight status update. It's not just people from local city of Bengaluru, but also international passengers who have connecting flights, who have no clue where to go as well. Let me take you to one of the boarding gates where it's at this point of time they've completely banned Indigo passengers to enter the terminal. You can see no one's being allowed with Indigo boarding pass. That's because the airport authorities feel that passengers, when they enter near the terminal and go to the boarding gate, they're creating ruckus because of the constant delays. So now there's a stoppage at the terminal entry itself. So all the passengers are now moved to the roads right in front of the Terminal 1 of Bangalore Airport. The situation seems to be recovering over the next 24 hours because of the aviation authorities given some leeway to the airline operators at this point of time. But total chaos here at Bangalore Airport. Also, people don't have water, people don't have food. Few people are stranded. Let me talk to few people and get their voices. Sonal, these are all senior citizens you can see who have seated here. Once a gentleman is here, sir. आप कब से wait कर रहे हैं?
सर महीनों से I left Delhi on the 3rd for a flight. I got a flight on the 4th night. Today 7 o'clock, there's no message. I'm still waiting for some information.
What are your options now?
No option. I'm looking for an alternate fare. Nothing less than 40,000
You're flying out of another airline, but it's costing you 40,000 from Bangalore to Delhi.
from Bangalore to Delhi. Or I go back to a hotel, spend money on a hotel, take a taxi coming and going, which nobody is going to repay.
So let me also take a few more passengers' voice, sir. What is your status of the flights as of now?
From yesterday, I'm here. Still waiting.
You are waiting outside the terminal itself since yesterday.
Yes. No update. No information till date. And your luggage is with you? No. My luggage is with me, but some more person have their luggage is inside.
So many such examples, Sonal. It's not just one or two, almost hundreds of them. Remember, Indigo has the second largest hub in Bengaluru Airport. So the situation is much more worse than compared to a Hyderabad or a Chennai in Bengaluru here, Sonal.
All right, Nagarjun over there bringing us the very latest on what's happening in Bengaluru over there. But let me give you a glimpse of what's happening here in the national capital at T1. You see all these people waiting. I've been speaking to all of them. It's been hours, for in fact a couple of them days as well, that they've just been hanging around here not knowing what to do next. We also met with a couple of people who said that Indigo, and that's the baffling part, Indigo is still booking tickets. If you go on their website, they still allow you to book tickets. When they have come out to say very categorically, there will be no flights taking off from the Delhi airport today. Till tonight, no flights are taking off today, but they continue to take bookings online. Why is that happening? Also, where I am is a very critical position. Remember, this is where everybody is. If you have an Indigo flight which has been cancelled, the CISF security will not let you go inside the gate. Exactly what Nagarjun was also telling you is happening at Bangalore. Because, you know, the situation is pretty horrid inside. We've all seen those social media posts. But we did manage to go inside. We did manage to go inside this ticketing counter just a little while ago to see the chaos inside. There are endless lines of people just waiting to understand what to do. Is there going to be a cancellation? Is there going to be a refund? Can I please know when I can go back home? A mom saying that my kids are waiting for me back home and I just cannot tell them when I will be back. Take a look at what happened inside before, of course, CISF asked us to move from there. We were earlier showing you pictures from outside the airport. Now let's try and walk inside to see what's happening over here. Now this is the booking counter inside T1. And just look at the mess over here. I'm dreading to even speak to people because I know there'll be horror stories one after the other that will come our way. Like wading through this is like being at a railway station, if not anything more. You guys have been here for long?
Yeah. It has been like 2.5 hours. We have been waiting here. No line has been moving.
Boycott Indigo, that man just said that. That's how
boycott.
angry people are.
Yeah, ma'am. Still now you can search on your phone. Still now, like people are getting tickets fare. Just now I have met with the guy who is saying that just before 2 hours I have done the ticket, and then also I'm been facing this problem.
पर ये तो सुबह ही पता चल गया था कि कोई फ्लाइट शाम तक नहीं जाएगी.
ऐसा है ना, फोन के उसमें क्या कहते हैं, ये रिमूव कर दे अपने वेबसाइट से, सो दैट की पीपल कहीं दूसरी अल्टरनेट जगह देख सके. सो
जी
कोई जवाब नहीं.
नहीं, अब परसों भी इंडिगो का 2 फ्लाइट मैं पटना से आया हूँ. परसों भी ये 11:50 और आपको 11:30 का और 4 बजे हो गया. गाड़ी से हम लोग आए यहाँ. अब गाड़ी पटना वाले में 40-50 से ऊपर बोल रहा है कि हम लेंगे. कुछ समझ में नहीं आ रहा है. अभी का फ्लाइट 6 बजे का कैंसिल हुआ.
पर क्या बोल रहे हैं लोग?
कोई बोलने ही वाला नहीं है, ना कुछ है. कोई अलग न्यूज हो रहा है, पता नहीं. आप लोग मतलब इतना नेग्लिजेंस है.
हम कल से बैठे 24 घंटे हो गए वो इधर.
24 घंटे से यहीं पर है.
यहाँ पड़े रहे 24 घंटे हो गए. वो बोलते नहीं कि प्लेन कैंसिल हो गई नहीं है. टाइमिंग बता रहे 2 घंटे के बाद चालू होगी, 3 घंटे के बाद चालू होगी, ये बोल रहे. हाँ,
बहन का शादी है.
मैम बहन का शादी कल है. आज हम लोग यहाँ पे पड़े. कल से भी हम लोग हायर करके गाड़ी मांग रहे. 70,000-80,000 गाड़ी का मांग रहा है पटना लीजन छोड़ने का.
और मैडम हमारा पैसा नहीं जाने के लिए हमको पैसे बुलाओ यहाँ से कब्र से. हमारा पैसा नहीं जाने के
Let me
लिए.
just show you what's happening. Let me just show you what's happening on the other side. If you go up a little bit, you will see that this is a never-ending crowd. And here people are. This is a charging station. I see people stocked up here. कब से हैं भैया आप यहाँ पर?
मैं कल नाइट 10 बजे से हूँ. 12:30 बजे की मेरी फ्लाइट थी. अभी तक ना तो कैंसिलेशन हुआ है.
यहाँ पर क्यों है? आपको बताया इन्होंने कि फ्लाइट कैंसिल हो गया है?
जी मैम बताया, लेकिन रिकैंसिलेशन के लिए ना, रिफंड के लिए इधर लाइन में लगे हुए हैं. यहाँ भी 4 घंटे हो गए मैम. 4 घंटे में ना 4 कदम चले हैं और एक ही बंदा बैठा हुआ है काउंटर पे.
जी बताएं.
हम लोग तो, मैं तो जा रहा हूँ उड़ीसा के लिए. झारसुगुड़ा का फ्लाइट आज का 3:30 बजे का. मतलब प्री इन्फॉर्मेशन कुछ नहीं दिया गया, ना कोई मैसेज आया किसी के पास में. और रीशेड्यूल भी बोल रहे कि मंडे को करेंगे. और रिफंड का प्रोसीजर जो 7 से 10 दिन कब लगेगा उसका भी कोई ठिकाना नहीं है.
तो यहाँ पर जितने लोग खड़े हैं वो ज्यादातर अपने रिफंड के लिए आए हैं.
अब रिफंड के लिए और रीशेड्यूल के लिए. रीशेड्यूल बोल रहे 3 दिन के बाद में. अब फ्लाइट का 3 दिन
मुझे लग रहा है मैं रेलवे स्टेशन पे खड़ी हूँ. यहाँ पर तो
रेलवे स्टेशन में 72 हालत है. कोई रेस्पॉन्स नहीं है. 2-2 घंटा से लाइन भी नहीं हिल रही है.
जी क्या बता रहे हैं?
सबसे इंटरेस्टिंग बात है, इनका कोई भी एक बंदा यहाँ पे खड़ा नहीं कि करना क्या है. किसी को नोबडी नोज की व्हाट शैल बी डन. आई मीन अगर जाने का कैंसिल है, आने का जो कल है उसका भी उसके बारे में पता नहीं है. किसी को बोल रहे हैं उनके बारे में कोई इन्फॉर्मेशन नहीं है. हम रिक्वेस्ट ये कर रहे हैं कोई एक बंदा आके एटलीस्ट ये बता दे रिफंड नहीं. वो आप मुझे बताइए, आपका नंबर में लिख लिया और आपको क्या पता है कि मैं उसको मेल करूंगा नहीं करूंगा. मैंने ये उनको बोला कि आप या तो कोई मेल आईडी दे दीजिए या आप कर रहे हैं इसका कोई एश्योरेंस दे दीजिए. मतलब हम सिर्फ ब्लाइंडली चल रहे हैं कि हाँ ये कुछ होएगा. आई डोंट नो क्या होएगा. मैं एक अवार्डी हूँ. कल मुझे एक अवार्ड मिलने वाला था और उसकी वजह से मतलब इतना
On top of that, all the other airlines have charged like more than 1 lakh rupees, 1,40,000, 2 lakhs. They are just using this as an opportunity to make everything they can.
Let's try and walk in. Let's try and get in a little bit more to give you a glimpse of what's happening. I can't believe, I have to say this, I can't believe the visuals right now. This does not look like an airport. This is an endless long line that is going where I really do not know. Everywhere. Let's just pan from right all the way to the left. Just look at the amount of people who are here, stuck here for several hours, people who are going for emergencies, sometimes for joy, but no clarity yet on what is going to happen. Can I understand from you, where are you going, what's happening over here?
Yeah, I was actually heading to Bangalore, from Delhi to Bangalore, and today I haven't got a single message like the flight has been cancelled, any WhatsApp message or normal message. I just got here and then I saw on the board that my flight has been cancelled. So there is no proper information about the cancellation, why it has been cancelled, and what are the options they are providing. We are just waiting for the solution. They will reschedule our flight or give the full refund or what. So very chaotic situation. Yeah.
Let me just give you a glimpse of the board over here. If you see Indigo, wherever there is Indigo, the flight has been cancelled. The few flights that are actually taking off are Air India, Akasa also in certain cases that I see that are taking off, delayed but taking off. But otherwise you see the whole list over there, cancelled, 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 cancelled. And what the other passengers are telling us is that when they, because of the Indigo cancellation, which remember is 65% of the flights that operate here in India, the others have also jacked up their prices. Let me try and get in. Let me try and get in. And I'll request my camera person to also sort of keep walking with me to give you a glimpse of what's happening. All right, here we are at the Indigo reservation ticket counter. We walked all the way from there and we've arrived here. Could you tell us how long you've been waiting here?
हिंदी प्लीज स्पीक
कितनी देर से खड़े हैं यहाँ पर?
4 घंटे से खड़े हैं हम लोग अभी तक और लाइन कुछ आगे बढ़ ही नहीं रही है. क्या हो पाएगा, कब क्या है, नहीं कुछ भी कंफर्मेशन नहीं हो पा रहा है. ना कोई मैसेज आ रहा है, ना कुछ भी पता ही नहीं चल पा रहा है कि कब हम लोग के फ्लाइट जो कैंसिल हुआ है कब से रीशेड्यूल होगा या फिर अमाउंट कैसे मिलेगा. कोई कन्वर्सेशन हो ही नहीं रहा है, कुछ नहीं पता चल पा रहा है.
और इतने यहाँ पर लोग हैं, सबका यही हालत है. Let me try and go a little ahead to try and understand. Ma'am, where are you from? How long have you been standing here?
From 3 hours we are here. We are from Bangalore and still awaiting one response to know what is the action and what is the plan. At least reschedule it. I don't mind waiting for the entire night here, but at least confirm that it is done. I have left kids and I have come for the conference here. I can't be here for another 5 days for the rates to go down. 55,000 for Bangalore, crazy or what? I can go to US. And there's no one who is responding here.
I see people there. What are they saying? I see some Indigo staff there.
All are just standing. Nobody's getting any response. Take some action, no? Reschedule, refund though, I don't know what will happen to a refund. There's so many methods of payments we would have done. What kind of refund are we expecting at the end of the day? I don't understand because they have no answer now. We don't want refund, we want a reschedule. We don't mind staying here because refund पैसे से क्या होगा? And I'm not getting any other flight.
I'm seeing young kids here. It's really breaking my heart to see 2-year-olds, 1-year-olds stuck in a situation like this. It's a nightmare for any mother.
Senior citizens and so many, who could not afford have tried to make it because they have to reach faster to their place. What you can see, there are labels of all types of classes. So it's a mess for everyone. You can't do this with the public, right? And we have our rights to ask for it.
All right, I've reached the end of the line over here. I just want to peep in and see what's happening inside that reservation counter. Let's go inside that and see what's happening. I do see some Indigo staff over there. Let me try and understand what exactly is the situation. Have you managed to speak with those?
Yeah, talk to my girlfriend, she'll explain better.
Have you managed to speak to the people inside?
No, I didn't manage to speak.
You're right here.
Yeah, but they are not listening.
Yeah,
What do you mean they're not listening?
We've been waiting for 3 hours, 3 hours and a half. We arrived, we didn't get any information that the flight was cancelled or no.
And we came from super far. We came from Paris.
Answer for reschedule or
What do you mean they're not answering? They must be addressing the question.
but they don't have any answer to answer us, right? We need an answer, reschedule, refund. We need an answer. That's what we are expecting right now.
But they're not being able to give you anything?
No.
All right, let's try and walk back a little bit and let's show you what's happening on the other side as well. This, remember, again, is the Indigo reservation counter. There is security over here trying to manage the crowds. People look defeated. People look tired. People look just done, as somebody said, just done with Indigo. This man over here has, in middle of all this chaos, gone to sleep. Just goes ahead to show you the level of fatigue that has set in. Sir, tell me, where are you going? How long have you been here?
I'm coming from Hong Kong, so I have to transmit. They issued the boarding pass, everything. After I can come and see the flight is cancelled. How see the crowd? Huh? What is the solution? Only 2 or 3% sitting there. People are standing, 1,000 people. How they answer to the 3%? What is doing the government? The Air Force Ministry is available or not? We should know. If you are asking me, ask to anything, the people asking the anti-government. What is called in India?
सर हम बस बात ही तो कर रहे हैं लोगों से.
बाहर पैसेंजर हैं, आप जितनी बात करनी है आप कीजिए, लेकिन
Okay, we've now been asked to leave. Sir, हम कोई दिक्कत नहीं करेंगे, चिंता नहीं करिए. We have now been asked to leave, so we'll walk out gradually. But while we go, let's keep giving you shots of what's happening over here. There are young kids. There are kids over here. There are people who are standing in line. There is a small vending machine where there's some cola, etc. if you want to take, but the rest. But if you see the glimpse inside the airport as well, the crowd inside the airport as well is quite bad. You see all those people. When 60% of the flights in the country are not operating, clearly what we are seeing outside is just the tip of the iceberg. Let's try and walk back now because we've been asked to leave. The security, CISF is here and they're asking us to leave the area. We'll abide by the rules, we'll go out, but we'll also keep bringing you the latest that is coming in. Just the tip of the iceberg. I dread to think what's going to be happening inside the airport. All those whose luggage has either been checked in and they don't know where to go, how to proceed. This is the massive aviation mess, the massive Indigo mess. All right, so we just told you the massive Indigo mess that's unfolding right here in front of us across the country. But just minutes ago, we've got a statement from Indigo. Let's put that breaking on our screens as well. It goes on to say to each one of our customers, we are truly sorry and we will take care. We do deeply apologize and understand how difficult the past few days have been for many of you. While this will not get resolved overnight, we assure you that we will do everything in our capacity to help you in the meantime and bring our operations back to normal at the earliest. Now, they are, clearly saying that this will not be resolved overnight. That means this will keep trickling in for the coming days as well. Importantly, the statement goes on to say that we wish to share that we will ensure all refunds, and this is for everybody over here and for people watching as well. Indigo in its statement now saying that we will ensure that all refunds for your cancellations will be processed automatically to your original mode of payment. They also say that we will offer full waiver on all cancellations, reschedule requests of your bookings for travel between 5th of December to 15th of December. Now, what does this tell you? This tells you that they are expecting this crisis to go on at least till 15th of December. That's the big breaking news at this hour. Indigo in its statement admitting that they will be looking at full waiver of cancellations, rescheduling that will take place between 5th of December to 15th of December. Also saying thousands of hotel rooms across city surface transport have been arranged. They also say that we will try and provide food and snacks to customers at the airport. I have some here with me. I just got a statement from Indigo which says that they will be doing a full cancellation refund automatically to your source of payment. They also say that they will try and provide support in terms of getting you food and getting you some accommodation. Has any of that happened?
When I went to the counter to get that rescheduled, they told us there will be no accommodation provided and they're not responsible for any of it.
They told you that? The Indigo staff said that?
When I rescheduled my flight was today and it is rescheduled to Monday, and they're not sure if that rescheduled flight is going to fly on Monday or not. Until then, they have not specifically told us about the food, but the accommodation, when I asked, they told we are not responsible and we have to stay on our own. We have to bear the charges, and again Monday we have to get back to the flight. And we are not sure if we are going to fly back home, at least that time or not.
Gosh, how long have you been here?
I've been here since morning. I came here at 10 a.m. and till now, just half an hour ago, I got my flight rescheduled. And I'm just hoping, I just want to go back home at least on Monday because I have my exams going on. I need to be there as well.
I see lots of lovely medals around you. What championship was this?
I had come for a Karate National Championship to represent my Karnataka state here. And I won gold, 2 silver and bronze medal. But unfortunately, I'm not able to go back home and show my medals to my parents, my family members and my coaches. So I just want to go back home fast and I want to celebrate this moment with them.
What a day for you. So many medals, but no way to celebrate because you're stuck here Yeah, we really feel for you, and we really hope that people out there who are listening are sort of bringing in some sort of sharing in some sort of joy that you are, and we really hope you're able to go back home soon. I also have with me another student. You also had an exam. Tell us.
I have an exam tomorrow of banking, RIB clerk. So I'm staying here only. So in Bangalore, I have an exam tomorrow, and this has happened now.
So now, how will you appear for the examination?
Don't know. No option at all.
You're going to end up missing it now.
That's all.
And Indigo here says in a statement, I saw all of you guys standing in queues to try and get, it says there will be a refund. Does this statement give you any confidence into how the airline is working?
I think they will give or not. This or not matter for me. Now time it only matters that I will not give my exam.
Too late. It's already, the damage has already been done. We have some reporters joining us as well. We've got Anirban Roy joining us from Kolkata. We've got Devesh joining us from Mumbai, Anaga from Chennai, Asim from Chandigarh, and Nagarjun from Bangalore. Let me quickly cut across to Anirban as well and try and get an update on what's happening in Kolkata. Anirban, you heard the Indigo statement. Has that reached the passengers at all? Is there some sense of respite? And importantly, those who are stuck there, knowing that this chaos will continue till the 15th of December, what's their reaction?
Well, see, there is a mixed reaction, and right now what anxiety and anger is cooking up in the Kolkata airport, in Kolkata International Airport. We have joined by few of the passengers. Those flights were cancelled. Sir, where are you from, and since how long you are waiting here?
Yeah, we are from Hyderabad, but we are coming from the trip of Vietnam. Yeah, since morning 11 o'clock we are waiting from here. The flight is cancelled. They have not told the status of the flight in the beginning itself. They said it is delayed. Then they said it got cancelled. Nobody is responsible.
So there is a statement from Indigo as well that they will provide the whole refund of the ticket as well as the food and the hotels itself. So does they provided you already?
No, they only promised to refund the actual amount paid towards the ticket. They did not provide any hotel accommodation. They have provided only the small snacks. I was told that with the compulsion of our airport minister, Mr. Rammoorthy Naidu, they have given that.
Have you asked for the accommodation or anything else?
Yes, we have asked. Nobody is responsible. No, everybody is responsible. They are not answering anything at all. They are not cooperating. They say that
the communication is clear.
No. What communication is clear? No communication is clear. They never told us that the flights are cancelled. They never told us that this is the situation. And after only coming to Calcutta airport from Vietnam, in the morning from 11 o'clock we are waiting to see what is going to happen. Whether we are going to get any flight or whether they are going to provide us with any other flights tomorrow, accommodation, anything.
Well, so there are a lot of families like these, those who are going for checkup in Hyderabad as well as in Bangalore itself. But right now, the ticket price is much higher and they are suffering from this. I will ask a few of them, where are you from and is the flight is delayed or got cancelled?
नहीं, flight actually cancel हो चुका है और हम लोग जा रहे थे डिब्रूगढ़.
So for what purpose is already the Indigo has provided one advisory, one statement where they said that they will provide food, they will provide hotels, they will provide vehicles as well.
नहीं, उन्होंने कुछ अभी तक प्रोवाइड नहीं किया है, कुछ भी प्रोवाइड नहीं किया है और कुछ इनका सिस्टमेटिक भी नहीं है. बहुत चलिए मेरे साथ.
So you can see Sonal here. Also the ruckus is there, the chaos is there. It's not like an airport. It is looking like a bus stand or a railway station with a chaotic situation. Over to you, Sonal.
Sanirban, for that was Kolkata, and I can tell you without even getting a glimpse at other airports, at all airports across the country, major metro centers at least, where most traffic flies in, and that, especially those airports which have a heavy Indigo flow, they are looking like bus stop stations, they are looking like railway stations. There is absolute chaos everywhere around me and around all our colleagues as well. But talking about them, let's also cut across to Mumbai now. My colleague Devesh Singh joins us from there. Devesh, You know, Mumbai is known to have exceptional functionality. Mumbai is known to operate airports in a way which is just par excellence, better than any other metro in the country. How have they managed to come past or perhaps salvage this Indigo massive mess?
Well, you can see behind me, this is the crowd that has gathered at the Indigo ticketing counter. This is the Indigo reservation and ticketing counter outside, like this is outside the terminal, not inside the terminal, but there's a huge crowd over here. There's a large number of people who have been gathered, who are stranded over here. Just a while ago, there was a foreign national who, a woman who was stranded since last evening at the Mumbai airport, and she climbed on the counter and she tried to address her issues so that someone could help her out. She was here on a medical visa, on a medical visit. She was undergoing treatment. She had a connecting flight, but she's been stranded outside the airport since last evening. Let's try and speak to some of the passengers. Ma'am, where are you headed?
I was going to say that somebody was complaining that they've not given us any water. We've been waiting here for over 3 hours, only to be told, just try and get a refund. They could have just announced it instead of having to wait here. So
where are you headed, ma'am?
So we've come from Kenya yesterday. We landed. So we were going to Jaipur. They've cancelled our flights, but there was no email issued. There was no phone call.
Prior information.
Nothing. Until we got to the airport and they said cancelled. So somebody said, come to the help desk. We came. So we've been waiting here literally. And all she said is, please just organize, get a refund. They could have just asked somebody else to do it, like announce it. And it would have been so much easier instead of the chaos that they've caused.
So you can see there's no communication from the airline. There's no information from the airline to the passengers who are stranded over here, who are headed to some place, some other place from the Mumbai airport, or they have a connecting flight from Mumbai towards some other place. But people have been stranded here for more than 24 hours. They are passengers, they are foreign passengers, they are domestic passengers who are stranded for more than 24 hours. They have not been provided food, they've not been provided accommodation, they've not been provided with any kind of information. I just spoke to a foreign passenger who says that her baggage is on some other flight. She's not yet received the baggage, and she has some very important medicines which she has to use, which has been prescribed to her, but she cannot get hold of those medicines because her baggage is stuck on some other Indigo flight. So this is the kind of chaos that you see at the Mumbai airport right now. Till afternoon, till 12 noon today, from Mumbai around 104 Indigo flights had been cancelled, and the numbers have increased. Like it's been more than 6 hours after that. The number keeps on increasing, and the crowd here you see, these are all passengers, Indigo passengers, who are waiting for some response from the airline. Over to you.
All right, thanks for that, Divyesh. So nothing better in Mumbai either from what I'm hearing over there. It's as usual the mess that we see across the country. Now, what's really interesting at this point is that Indigo has given out a statement, but somehow at the airport, when you talk to passengers, none of them have a clue about it. So there is a massive lag. They could have just sent out a message to all passengers telling them, A, that the flights are cancelled, B, that the refund will happen and we'll take care of it, you can go back home. But there is massive lack of communication which is leading to this entire mess. That's the crux of the matter here. But let's take it forward now with other colleagues of mine who are joining us. Anaga joins us from Chennai. Anaga, go ahead, and I don't know if things are any better there, because here in Delhi I have spoken to some people who've been at the airport for over 24 hours. What's the situation there like?
Well, in fact, passengers are continuously turning up in the hopes of flying to their places. In fact, even though there has been an official communication from the Chennai airports, people are unaware of that, and therefore they are continuously turning up in large numbers. In fact, you can also see the visuals on our screen, how there's massive crowding over here in front of the Indigo ticketing counter. Many of them are demanding for immediate refunds. Many of them are also asking for accommodations to be provided immediately. They are questioning the Indigo officers as to why prior prior intimation
have
was
one
not
more
given to
reporter,
them?
right?
Why did they have to come all the way to the airport and then be informed about the flight getting cancelled? You can see the queue over here. You know, it's been stationed here since morning. They haven't moved. They have been here since morning, waiting for their flights to take off. In fact, it was only now, just 5 minutes back, when these boards were also updated. Up until now, people were there under the false hopes of this misleading board that says that the flight is still under security check. It's only now, after multiple highlights, that the Chennai Airports Authority have woken up and then they've updated the flight schedule to being cancelled. This is the kind of delay that we are seeing here. In fact, as I speak to you, passengers are still turning up in the hopes of flying home. In fact, the reality is that all domestic planes, that is Indigo planes in Chennai Airport today, stands cancelled till midnight.
Stories here don't fade away. I'm joined by another gentleman here who has a very peculiar story. आप कल भी आए थे यहाँ पर, तब क्या हुआ?
4 तारीख को मैं आया था, 4 तारीख का मेरे पास टिकट है। आने के बाद हम लोग को ये बोला गया कि कल आपको 7:30 बजे
4 तारीख का भी इंडिगो का टिकट है।
ये इंडिगो फिर उन्होंने बोर्डिंग पास बना के दिया आप आज का अभी का 7:30 बजे का, और उसके बाद आप बोलते हैं कि फिर फ्लाइट नहीं जाएगी।
इस बार कोई अलग दिया भी नहीं है,
अलग कुछ नहीं दिया। साहब जवाब दे दिए हम आपको पैसा वापस करवा देंगे, रिफंड आपको मिल जाएगा। हम 2 दिन से लगातार बार यहाँ बाहर घूम रहे हैं, धक्के खा रहे हैं, और या तो आप सोचे बोर्डिंग पास इशू नहीं करते। बोर्डिंग पास तो लास्ट टाइम इशू किया जाता है, जब प्लेन आ जाती है, खड़ी जाती है, तैयारी होती है, उसके बाद बोर्डिंग पास इशू किया गया मेरे नाम से।
बोर्डिंग पास तो पहले दिया जाता है, बट सर ये आपको यहाँ पर आने के बाद पता चला कि फ्लाइट कैंसिल हुई है, आपको पहले ये मैसेज, और कल का भी पहले नहीं आया?
कल का भी कोई मैसेज नहीं था, आज का भी कोई मैसेज नहीं है। मैसेज होता तो हम आते ही नहीं ना, फिर ऐसे अगर होता तो हम आते ही नहीं इस करके।
You see what I'm saying there? It's one thing to not be able to handle the flight mess, what they're saying, and we'll get down to those details in a bit as well. It's another to just not communicate with the flyers, not tell them that, we're just not telling them that the flight has been cancelled. You're not telling them if a refund will take place. You're not telling them what will happen or where should they go. And that's where the entire chaos is taking place. I'm told we have some more updates coming in at this point, some more breaking news there. This time, this is from the Airlines Pilots Association that has now slammed the DGCA for granting Indigo safety exemptions. Now, what is the background to this story? Let me just quickly recap that for you. Now, what happened was the country, the nation, the aviation ministry has been telling Indigo that you have to give pilots rest. Between flights, it has to be at least 48 hours, not 36, as is currently the case. Now, there were several exemptions, extensions, in fact, given to Indigo for quite a while. The next exemption or sort of extension ended now in December, but Indigo said we are still not ready. And depending, after seeing the flight cancellation and the chaos that went up all day today, they went ahead. The government was forced, and many are now saying arm twisted, into taking a call and giving that exemption all over again. Indigo has again been given the extension to ensure that their pilots do not get that 48 hours of rest, which is, by the way, the global standard. So what is the Pilot Association saying now? They are saying they strongly criticize the DGCA for granting what it calls a selective and unsafe dispensation to Indigo under the revised flight duty time limitations. In a letter that was dated 5th of December, we broke that story right here on India Today, that the ALPA warned that the exemption dilute the fatigue protection norms and jeopardize the passenger safety. So pilots not happy with it. Indigo facing its worst crisis ever. And here, a ministry which has now been arm twisted into giving it another extension. But talking about who it impacts the most, well, it's the passenger. It's people like you and me who are stranded and who don't know what to do next. I'm joined by one of them, Anati Bajpai. He's a young entrepreneur, I'm told, stuck in Kolkata. Okay, all right, we'll try and get that line with you in just a minute. But let me also cut across to my colleague Nagarjun, who joins us from Bengaluru. Nagarjun, you just heard both those breaking news, right? One, Indigo saying that all refunds will be done. I'm just surprised to see that Indigo, which is, or any other airline which communicates through SMSs and WhatsApp, why aren't they saying this to people straight away? And why are they still taking bookings online? Also, why have they not been able to tell people beforehand about the cancellation? All right, let me take that question to Aseem Bassi, my colleague joining us from Chandigarh. Aseem, help me understand a little bit how things are in Chandigarh at the moment. Indigo has issued a statement. The Pilots Association are not happy with the extension, but importantly at the airport, have those confirmations from Indigo reached the passengers?
Well, as Indigo flights are impacted all over the nation, the scenes in Chandigarh are similar, with passengers facing all harassment. I'm close to the Chandigarh airport's Indigo ticketing counter right in the terminal, and you can see that how the people are feeling helpless and harassed because a lot of flights that depart from here are cancelled since morning, since early morning to late night. There have been a lot of cancellations, bringing a lot of pain to the passengers. We'll talk to a few passengers who wanted to travel today. And sir, can I have your name, sir? क्या नाम है आपका? Sir, so we'll talk to a few passengers here. Sir, क्या नाम है आपका?
टिकम वैष्णव।
टिकम जी, आपने कहाँ जाना था? फ्लाइट कैंसिल हुई, क्या हुआ?
अहमदाबाद जाना था, फ्लाइट कैंसिल हो गई, ना कोई टेक्स्ट मैसेज, कुछ भी नहीं आया।
हाँ, तो इंडिगो का एक ही स्टेटमेंट आया है। उन्होंने बोला कि वो पैसेंजर्स को होटल देंगे, फूड देंगे और रिफंड देंगे। तो इसको आप कैसे देखते हैं? मिल रहा है लोगों को?
क्या पता, मुझे तो लगता नहीं मिल रहा है। रिफंड का भी कुछ भरोसा नहीं, कभी आएगा। और रिफंड वो सब ठीक है, एटलीस्ट कुछ मैसेज आया है, कुछ पता ही नहीं है, बस हो रहा है। इट्स वेरी बैड। लेट्स सी क्या होता है। अभी तो नंबर ही नहीं आया, यहाँ कुछ मैनेजमेंट नहीं है। आप देखो,
बैंगलोर की फ्लाइट थी।
फ्लाइट कैंसिल जी। कितने बजे थी आपकी फ्लाइट?
6:50 में थी फ्लाइट।
कोई मैसेज, ईमेल?
कोई मैसेज नहीं, कोई ईमेल नहीं, नथिंग, नॉट एट ऑल। कुछ नहीं।
इंडिगो बोला हम देंगे सब।
कहाँ कुछ कोई फैसिलिटीज़ नहीं। एटलीस्ट दे शुड हैव टेक्सटेड फर्स्ट कि फ़्लाइट कैंसिल है। काफ़ी दूर से लोग आ रहे हैं। आई ट्रैवल 60 किलोमीटर्स टू रीच हियर। मेरी फ़्लाइट है, मेरी बैंगलोर में पहुँचना इतना अति आवश्यक है कि मैं बता नहीं सकता हूँ। My mother is ill, my mother is hospitalized. I have to reach there anyhow. I don't know how they will arrange, but I have to go right now at this moment.
We'll talk to more people over here. Your flight is also cancelled?
Yeah, it is actually cancelled and we have not even got any message about it. We came from 8 hours from Kasol to here for our flight.
Now, Indigo has issued a statement that it'll give food, it will give compensation, it will give refunds also.
They have not told anything about that.
Are you getting anything on ground?
No, they've not told.
So you said, you heard that this is how people are reacting over here, that whatever advisories or whatever statements are being issued, they are on paper, they're yet to come on ground, and people say no intimation before the cancellation of flights and nothing they are getting because of the cancellation. They're just getting harassment and they're feeling very, very helpless.
All right, those are the voices over there. Let me cut across to some more passengers who have walked up to us with their own horror stories. So you were telling us that you got a confirmation that your flight is on track at 2 o'clock. When you reached here, you realized that it's cancelled.
At 14:05, I got a message stating that your flight 6C963 from Delhi to Hyderabad is completed, web check-in is completed. So we cannot wait for you, the rush to the airport for boarding in. That was the message I got, and when I have come here, there is a notice board I am seeing there that the flights are not available.
Not just lack of communication, it's faulty communication actually. Yeah.
Really, it's a painful because I have traveled all the way from Yamuna Park to this area, so it costed me.
What will you do now, sir?
No, I am helpless now. When I was trying to book the train ticket, I got this message. I was so happy that I got the flight. And again, now I lost the money as well as everything. Yeah, train is absolutely alternative, but there also I doubt.
Tell me your name, tell me how long have you been here?
Yeah, so my name is Harjot Narang and I was traveling because of my work. So I had my flight pre-poned for 9 hours. So I discussed with the team. they said we'll reschedule your flight, and they just rescheduled for 5 p.m. And I had a word at 2 and that I'm reaching the airport. So they said that yes, the flight is going on. And when I reached, I suddenly got to know that the flight has been cancelled, and now they are saying that there's no other flight. And I also tried booking trains, and there are no trains available right now. So even like I don't know where to go now and whom to contact. So.
You know, even if there was a crisis, I'm trying to understand what was your hope with them. You had hoped that they had just informed you beforehand?
Yeah, they should have informed at least while I was leaving for the airport. They should have informed. I should have saved some time and would have chosen another route.
Same story, different people, same story, same despair. I've spent about more than 5 hours now at the airport, and I can tell you that the chaos is real. I can also tell you that the anger is real. And this is just outside. What we are made to understand is that's what's happening inside the airport at the counter. And you must have seen the social media, videos that have been going viral. That is much worse. And the worst part of it all is that it does not end tonight. In the statement that Indigo has given out, they clearly state that there will be disruptions from 5th to 15th of December. That's the level of chaos that one must expect in the days to come. Meanwhile, like I said, I was here earlier and I've spent quite a bit of time. So take a look at what some of the other peculiar cases have been. This one guy's story is not leaving me. He came from London to attend his best friend's wedding in Chennai. But after his flight from Delhi got cancelled, guess what did he do? He is now going to Chennai from Delhi via Singapore. You heard that right.
I have two situations now. Now I have booked a flight from other airlines. So as I said,
how much did that cost you?
Approximately 70,000 from Delhi to Pune. So that's too much because I already have lost 30,000 earlier. So it's 1 lakh for going from Khajuraho to Pune. That's too much of money lost, no response, and we are not sure that we are going to get our luggage now. So we have only two options. Either we get on the board for the other airline and get back to our home without our luggage, or we again go to the inside airport and keep searching for our luggage. So our flight is 8:30 p.m. but we are just coming at
Indigo flight at 8:30?
No. I am done with Indigo now. So I have booked another flight now. So now 4 hours we will be searching our luggage now.
I think this kind of behavior is not acceptable at any level. I mean, forget about here. I think overall in India, I presume this is the situation as of now. They say many things is because of shortage of employers, or difference in the labor law, pata nahi kya kya hai, but we are not getting a full picture. Flights are there, but then there is no a pilot to drive the flight, to run the flight.
इंडिगो फ्लाइट ने मुझे कोई नोटिफिकेशन अभी तक दिया नहीं है उनकी साइड से, और जब मैंने फ़्लाइट का स्टेटस चेक किया तो आई फाइंड कि वो कैंसिल हो चुकी है. सो वी आर वर्ried, और उनके साइड से कोई नोटिफिकेशन या कुछ भी जारी नहीं किया गया है, कुछ भी उन्होंने निर्देशन नहीं दिया इस बारे में. सो वी आर वेरी वरी अबाउट.
अभी इंडिगो का पिछले 4 महीने से प्रॉब्लम चल रहा है. 4 महीने से डेली इनका फ्लाइट लेट हो रहा है. मैं कितना फ्लाई करता हूँ, डेली देखने को मिलेगा 5 घंटे 6 घंटे. अभी जब दिल्ली से आ रहा था उस टाइम पे देहरादून पे 5 घंटा लेट था, दिल्ली में 3 घंटा लेट किया, और अभी कल रात का फ्लाइट था दोपहर का 2 बजे का, अभी दोपहर 2 बजे का.
Right, so that's the situation, and here we are wrapping up our bulletin from, I'm sure it doesn't look like the airport, but trust me, it is. This is what people are doing. They've been camped here for days, they've been camped here for hours, and they still have no idea when they will finally manage to go home. There is no clarity or communication coming in from Indigo, and at this point, we don't know when this will end either. According to Indigo's statement, they are claiming that all refunds will be done. And I would request my camera person to just show. This is just one of the, just pan across to actually give you an idea. This is just one of those spots where people have just camped. They left their luggage here and they are waiting. How long will this wait be? Nobody knows. And we really hope that a strict action is taken against Indigo for creating this entire mess and for leading 60% of flyers in the country in an absolute lurch. Thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned to India Today.